And I would like to say, no matter where you are in the world, no matter what you are doing, no matter what you believe in, and like just you as a person, as an individual, I would like to let you know that you are welcome here. You are special. You are valued. You are unique. And I am really, truly grateful for you being here. And sometimes in this world, it can feel very isolating, and especially with things online and that sort of stuff. Our online community, the FPV community, is absolutely incredible at supporting each other. And one are those little notifications coming through for you, or is that just on my end? Please let me know in the chat. But if you are out there and you are not feeling yourself, and you're just feeling a little bit down, or you feel like, maybe am I suffering from some mental health issues here, maybe getting some depression, some anxiety, whatever it may be, and you're just not feeling right with yourself in the head, please, I would like to put this out there and sort of address that stigma that, you don't have to suffer in silence. You are not alone. You are valued. You are cared about. I'm really grateful that you're here. And I don't want to feel like you can't ever reach out, or you just have to sit there by yourself and deal with it and suck it up, because I feel like that's really, really bad advice that we have been told in the past. And I just want to welcome you to this community and let you know that I do know what you're going through, because about 5 years ago, I was quite severely depressed. I'm really grateful now to be on the other side of that, and things are feeling really, really positive, but I know what it's like, and I don't want you to feel alone. And you know, just because you have those feelings, I would like to let you know that it does get better, and there is light at the end of the tunnel. And I know it can feel really, really difficult and really, really hard, but even if this just goes out to that one person that hears this, and if you think to yourself, is Stu talking to me? And if you're having that thought, then I probably am, to let you know that you are not alone. And please go and get some help. It's not weak to speak at all. Go and speak to the doctor. There should be no shame in trying to better yourself and be a better person from doing that. So I just want to put that out there. We always start our streams like that. Shadow saying every life matters. Other people saying appreciate you, Stu. Like, we have really, really positive members here in the FPV community. And I think FPV and mental health, they, for some weird correlation, they do sort of overlap quite a lot. And you hear a lot of people talk about these issues. And I know of specific situations where people have told me where they probably wouldn't be here if it wasn't for FPV. So I'm really passionate about just sharing this message, sharing this positive message. I'm going to have to turn those notifications off. Hang on. Let me just close this down. We'll come back to that. They should be removed right now. But FPV truly does save and change people's lives. So yeah. And Happy RC Flying saying, depression can pass and better days are coming. Please don't give up. Yes, FPV helps so much. That's from Cowboy with a Camera. I kind of like that name right there. That sort of suits FPV. But let's do it for some DJI goggles. Let's jump in and talk about the first topic of today.